Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, lesson number 20, our emotional world. So let's see. Here a picture is given. After looking to the picture, you have to say how the persons in the picture feel. So after looking to the picture, you can say that they are happy, sad, excited and hungry. So hungry, angry, scared, happy, excited are some of the emotions. So let's study about our emotions. Here an activity is given. Try this. Note your feeling about the following and write them down. Means you have to note down whatever you feel about the following points. The point number 1 is your own behavior from the time you wake up in the morning till you go to bed. Means whenever you wake up in the morning till you are going to bed, you are doing many of the activities and you are behaving sometime good or bad. That you have to note down and you have to feel whatever you have done. Means how was your behavior throughout the day. Point number 2 is pictures of natural disasters in the newspaper. So in day-to-day life we are coming to know after looking to the newspaper that some natural disaster like tsunami, floods, earthquake. So these pictures you have to take and you have to note down what do you feel about that incidents. Okay. Point number 3 is news about a cricket match in the newspaper. Means in the newspaper cricket matches और उसके news आती हैं. Okay. How the match was going on. Okay. And who has won the match. So what do you feel about that? That you have to note down. Point number 4 is anger at your classmates. Means sometime you are becoming angry with your classmate and how much you have become angry on him or her or what you did at that time, that how you was feeling. Okay, whether you have done correct or wrong, that you have to note down. And point number 5 is the tricks that jokers play in a circus. So everyone know about a joker. Whatever the joker is doing, that we know, that we have to note down. The next one is human nature has many different aspects. Sometimes a person gets very angry. At other times he is ready to forget and forgive easily. Means human nature is different at different times. Every time it is changing. So sometime a person is getting angry, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है, और sometime he is becoming very kind and ready to forgive. Forgive means भूलने के लिए ready हो जाता है, forgive और माफ़ करने के लिए ready हो जाता है. He forget and forgive. Okay. At times he is jealous. At times he is loving. Means sometime he is feeling jealous about someone. किसी की success पे jealous feel होता है, और sometime he is feeling loving. Okay, means he is feeling about love and affection with others. Okay, sometimes he acts selfishly, but sometimes he is willing to make a sacrifice for others and comes forward to help. Means sometimes he is acting as a selfish person. Means he is not ready to help others. Means खुद का खुद करता है. And we can say in Hindi, खुदगर्ज जो होता है. Okay, sometime he is acting like that, but sometime he is becoming very cooperative and he is ready to help. Okay, मतलब बहुत जल्दी सेक्रीफाइस करता है और हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है. ओके, सो एंगर, जॉय, sorrow, jealousy, disappointment, fear, etc. are all emotions. So these all are emotions, and we know that these emotions are natural. No one can have any of the control on it. These are natural, okay, and these are changing about according to the situation. Okay, now let's understand with the topic coping with our emotions, means how to face our emotions and how to control the emotions that we are going to learn in this passage. Just as man is able to think, he is also emotional, means he is thinking also and he is becoming emotional also. Okay, we should be able to strike a balance between our thoughts and emotions, means हमको कैसे रहना है. Emotions, we know that emotions are natural, but we can maintain a balance between our thoughts and emotions, means whenever we are feeling very angry on someone, so we have to control our anger. Okay, when someone hurts us, we feel sad, means when someone is troubling you or making you hurt, so are you feeling happy? No, you are feeling sad. It is natural. Okay, so this is natural. However, we should know how bad to feel about it, means ये हमारे ऊपर है कि हम उसके बारे में कितना बैड फील करते हैं. Means we can take a situation very lightly also. Okay, so it's up to you. If someone does something wrong, we get angry. Of course, कोई आपसे गलत कुछ करता है तो you are becoming angry. However, we must not lose our temper. Means what? Whenever you are becoming angry, you should not lose your temper. You should keep control on your anger. You should not beat others at such time. Okay, because it is very bad. Okay, it is natural to desire something, but we must not be greedy for it. Means desires are also natural. means हम एक नहीं बहुत सारे desires means बहुत सारे होप रखते हैं. अगर इंसान का एक डिज़ायर पूरा होता है तो वो दूसरे की उम्मीद करता है. means all the human beings are having many of the desires, but we must not be greedy, means लालची नहीं होना चाहिए उन desires के लिए. Instead, you should be thankful to your God that whatever he has given to you. Okay, means you should not be greedy. If we think properly, we can control our emotions. means अगर आप अच्छे से सोच अच्छी रखोगे, that time only you can control your emotions. means उसके लिए आपकी सोच पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. Okay, emotional adjustment involves coping with your emotions, being able to control them and expressing them in a reasonable manner. means some of your emotions are positive. Suppose you are becoming happy, but if you are becoming happy also, that time you should not hurt others. Okay, but sometime you are becoming angry, that time also you have to control your anger. means you have to learn to cope up with your emotions and to control them. और उसको एक्सप्रेस करना है कैसे? रीजनेबल मैनर में उसको एक्सप्रेस करना है. ओके, means you should not hurt others that time. Suppose if you are becoming angry or sad or due to any of the reason, so that time you have to think and then express it. Okay, when we learn to cope with our emotions, our personality becomes balanced. means जब हम हमारे इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करते हैं और उसको फेस करना सीखते हैं तो our personality is getting increase. means it is becoming balanced. personality कैसी बनती है? बैलेंस. और ऐसे भी हम गुस्सा जो होता है एंगर, वो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा होता है क्या? नो. सो वी शुड नॉट बिकम एंग्री ऑल द टाइम. ओके, आवर एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स इंक्रीजेस. मीन्स दूसरों के लिए अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमारे में बढ़ जाती है when we learn to cope with our emotions. And we can overcome adverse condition. Adverse condition means what? Suppose if sometime you are becoming angry, okay, so that time you are beating or persons are killing to someone. Or adverse condition means sometime it's इट्स कॉज अ फाइट, और बहुत ज़्यादा फाइटिंग हो जाती है, तो ये एडवर्स कंडीशन से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, बच सकते हैं. ओके, देन वी बिकम फ्री फ्रॉम फॉल्ट्स सच एज ब्लेमिंग अदर्स अननेसेसरीली, calling them names, and not being able to tolerate their success. Means when we will learn to cope with our emotion or to control them, तो हम कौन सी चीज़ से बचेंगे. बहुत सारे हमारे फॉल्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इट इज़ गिवन ब्लेमिंग अदर्स अननेसेसरीली, मीन्स किसी को ब्लेम करना, एंड even we know that he has not done it, but what we are doing, we are blaming to save ourselves. okay, वो फॉल्ट से खुद को बचाने के लिए दूसरों को ब्लेम करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी बैड. एंड कॉलिंग देम नेम्स मीन्स समटाइम वी आर टीजिंग, कोई तो नाम रख के किसी को हम लोग चिढ़ाते हैं. सो वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. एंड नॉट बीइंग एबल टू टॉलरेट दैट सक्सेस, मीन्स किसी की सक्सेस से हम लोग मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा चिढ़ जाते हैं, और वी आर नॉट टॉलरेटिंग दैम. ओके, उनकी सक्सेस से हमको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी बैड हैबिट. हमने ऐसे करना चाहिए क्या? नो. ओके, वी बिकम हैप्पी एंड आर एबिलिटी टू टॉलरेट टू अदर्स इम्प्रूव्स. मीन्स इफ़ वी विल लर्न टू कोप विथ आर इमोशंस, तो हमेशा हम कैसे रहेंगे? खुश रहेंगे. ओके, वी विल बिकम हैप्पी एंड और हमारी एबिलिटी बढ़ेंगी टू रिलेट विद द अदर्स. ये सब इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा जब आप टॉलरेट करेंगे सबको, तो यू विल फील एवरी टाइम हैप्पी. किसी की सक्सेस से आप जेलस फील नहीं करोगे. ओके, यू विल बी हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम, एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो टू बी हैप्पी. ओके, सो वी लर्न नॉट टू बी स्टबर्न. स्टबर्न मीन्स जब हम कैसे, स्टबर्न का एक्चुअल मीनिंग क्या होता है? ज़िद्दी. मीन्स हम क्या सीखेंगे? वी विल लर्न नॉट टू बी स्टबर्न. तो हमको स्टबर्न बनना है क्या? नो, वी शुड बी काइंड ऑलवेज. ओके, वी शुड बी काइंड ऑलवेज. ओके, सो हियर वी विल स्टॉप with the explanation part. Remaining lesson I will explain you the remaining chapter. Okay, so I hope you understood the lesson very well. Thank you.